Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to preview two of my decks, two of my Pauper decks. The first I'm going to preview is my Red Burn deck. Then the second I'm going to preview is my Mono Green Ramp. This one is a Mono Red Burn Pauper. Both of them are Pauper decks. Okay, so for for the red uh, for the red burn we have a creatures of 4 G2 Labarana and 4 copies of Firebrand Archer and 4 copies of Thermo Alchemist. And for the instance, we have Blazing Salvo. You might be wondering why I'm going to use Blazing Salvo because Blazing Salvo is very effective for early creatures, especially for those elves, those creatures that are precious to the opponents. Walls like that. That's only 3 power. Uh, they may going to think if they're going to save it or going to take the 5 lives. So Blazing Salvo. Then of course the Lightning Bolt. We have 4 copies of Lightning Bolt. And then Incinerate. Why Incinerate? Because this deck only has 16 mana. It only has 16 mana. So there's no landfall in this deck. So Incinerate. It's also 3 damage. Then Lava Spike. Still don't have the real copy of Lava Spike. So I'm still using this as a proxy. And sorcery again. Chain Lightning. We have 4 copies of Chain Lightning. And then 4 copies of Skewer the Critics. And also 4 copies of Great Ball. And then we also have 4 copies of Curse of the Cursard. 2 copies are still proxies. This for the pingers. And then for the lands, sorry, got the card. For the lands, we have 4 copies of Forgotten Cave. Uh, because the maximum casting cost of this deck is only 2 mana, uh, we will be using Forgotten Caves so that once you already reach 2 mana or 3 mana, you can already cycle your the next Forgotten Caves that you will going to draw. And also we have 16 copies of Mountains. Yep. And that is for the Mono Red Burn. For the next decks, we have the Ramp, Mono Green Ramp. So in this deck, we have 4 copies of Overgrown Battlement, a good defender, also a good blocker for those early aggressive creatures. Uh, then we also have Ulvenwald Captive. It's also a defender. Uh, Great synergy with Overgrown Battlement. It also produces mana. And it also has an ability to morph once you already have lots of mana. Because this is ramp, this is very easy to produce a lot of mana. And then for the tutor, we have Fierce Empath, 4 copies of Fierce Empath. Yeah, we also have 4 copies of Fierce Empath. And for another ramp, we also have 4 copies of On the Giant. It's a combination of ramp and growth and a 2/4 creature for 4 mana. Very effective defender. And then for the creatures, for our beaters, we have the for our bumps, we have the Nisian Us for 5 mana. A very good creature because it has 5 toughness at the same time, it has reach and it can become monstrous. And we also have here my favorite Honey Mammoth. He is my favorite creature because it's a 6 to 60. That's gain 4 life. Yep. And then for our biggest baddest creature, we have Ulamog Crusher. Also 4 copies of Ulamog Crusher. And then for the sorcery, for the ramp, we have here Nisa's Pilgrimage. We decided to use Nisa's Pilgrimage because This has spell mastery, and because this mono green ramp, it is very easy to get three basic forests at the same time. You cast this once you already have spell mastery, and then for the ramp, another ramp, we also have 4 copies of Moon Bully Acid Moss. Very effective because it destroy land at the same time search for a basic forest. And then we also have 4 copies of Whip and Sow. Yeah. So just like Mombuli Acid Moss, it also search for a land and also destroy land. And this card not only just destroy land, it's also search any kind of land. And it's good for fetching the next card for our lands, the Gingerbread Cabin. Yep, we are playing 4 copies of Gingerbread Cabin because we are running all forests. Because this is the 4 copies of your Gingerbread Cabin, and the rest of your mana are 16 forests. And that's it for the deck. And later have them, we will going to play test both of the decks. I will be playing solitaires for both of these decks, for the mono red ramp and for the mono red burn and for the mono green ramp. We will going to have a playtest later. Okay, so that's it guys for the deck review.